Hey guys, it's me Nihar out here, and my friends were asking me to put an viewpoint on Sushant Singh Rajput. Every day this case is having a new evidence, and I don't know how it will go on and or something or not. I think Sushant should get an CBI inquiry. The case should get an CBI inquiry because why I'm going to say you because yesterday I saw an interview with Siddharth Pathani made by Arnab Goswami, where at the first when Arnab Goswami asked that how well you know Sushant, then Siddharth Pathani was saying that he know him for at least 1 year because he met Sushant at April 2019. Now the thing is that after that, Arnab Goswami asked him, was Sushant going into any medications or something? Then he said, yes, there were medications and I used to give him 2 medicines. Fine. Now the shocking thing that he has said is that he said that Arnab, I used to give him 2 medicines. When Arnab asked him that what were the medicines, then he said he don't know. Like seriously, that was the biggest lie that he has said in the national media. And after that, when the interview was going on, then he said that Riya didn't say anything on 8th and she just left and just asked Siddharth to call if any problem occurs or something. Okay. Then when Arnab was asking him few questions after that, then he said cut gaya, and he just plugged it off with the headphones and he just ran off from the interview. Now that person was with Sushant. He was a flatmate of him, and Riya Chakravarti, so-called girlfriend of Sushant, she used to tag him, like tag Siddharth Pathani with the photographs that was taken by Siddharth of Riya in Instagram. Now all these things happen. After that, the second session with many of them were there, and there was one friend of Sushant, her name was Smita, who said that on 8th when Riya left, after that on 8th only Meetu D comes in to Sushant's house. The thing is that after that, when that day they had a normal life. Okay, till then it was fine. On 9th morning, when Sushant gets the news of Disha Alia case that she died, then Sushant at beginning he became sad, and number 2, he became anxious. Moreover, he said to Meetu D that अब ये लोग मेरे को नहीं छोड़ेंगे. Now the thing is that who were those people? When Meetu asked Sushant, then he didn't say anything. And after that, on 10th, he made a call to his Jijaji, who is an IPS officer if I am not wrong. He went calling that can he take him to Chandigarh again back, because he wanted to leave Bollywood. Now he was so anxious. On 8th, Riya leaves house. On 10th, he calls to his Jiju, and after that the thing had certainly changed in Sushant's life. On 14th, just look, on 14th, what Smita said, that on 14th Sushant with Meetu D was having a family dinner. So for that, Meetu D called him on Sushant on 13th, but he didn't pick up. Okay, now the case gets more interesting. Look, Meetu D calls him for at least 5 to 6 times. Then he doesn't pick up on 13th. On 14th morning, when Meetu called Siddharth, so-called friend of Sushant, Siddharth Pithani, and said that he was sleeping, and after a moment at 9 o'clock in the morning, 9 to 9:30 or 10 in between, Sushant made a call from his mobile to his sister who lives in Ghaziabad, instead of calling Mitudi, who was calling him for 5 to 10 times. And when the thing has come alarming for Mitudi, and Mitudi had some she felt like that there might be some wrong, and she left for Sushant's home right after that. And before reaching 15 minutes of Sushant's house, she got a call from Siddharth Pithani, and Siddharth Pithani said that Mitudi, jaldi se aiye, Siddharth hanged himself. Okay, fine. But how did Siddharth got the right to pull down a body that was hanging? When Mitudi reached Sushant's home after 15 minutes, then Mitudi found him on the bed, not on the fan. Then now things have become some has lightened up this, that Sushant might be murdered on 13th, क्योंकि उसने फ़ोन नहीं उठाया उस दिन, और जो कॉल से मतलब maybe I may be wrong, but this is my prediction that I am giving to everyone, is that उसको मारा गया है 13 तारीख को, उसके बाद उसके बॉडी को वहीं पे रखा गया था. When Siddharth Pithani got the call from Mitudi, उसी वक्त उसके बाद ही might be Siddharth Pithani ने काम किया गया कि उसके बड़े बहन को फ़ोन किया, who lives in गाज़ियाबाद में भी, गाज़ियाबाद, बड़े बहन या छोटी बहन ऐसा बोलना, गाज़ियाबाद में जो रहती थी बहन, उसको फ़ोन किया ताकि बता दे कि सिद्धार्थ still Sushant is still alive, or he might have taken the mobile of Sushant, got the maybe all those fingerprints and all, and opened his mobile, and then after he played something game, and that's why it showed that before dying 5 hours ago Sushant was playing the game that he used to play. He was online. So there might be many reasons, but I think Mumbai police, you should investigate Siddharth Pithani, because he was running away, and no matter from where. Yesterday Riya Chakravarti, she have put a 20-second video like saying September Vijayate. I want to say that Riya Chakravarti, then why are you running from Bihar police? Why don't you let investigate Bihar police? If any questions are to be asked to you, then why are you not replying to their questions? Then why are you running? So that makes a big thing, and also 15 crore has been transacted, 15 or so on. But then I am also asking a question to Mumbai police that यार एक चीज़ बताओ, आप लोगों ने इन्वेस्टिगेट किया था 10 घंटे के लिए, you had a 10 hours of investigation or inquiry with Riya. What inquiry did you make? Just after 40 plus days, 45 days or 40 days or so on, Sushant's father given FIR to Bihar police saying that Riya took away all his documents. So was that a good investigation made by you? And people are saying that still you have made good investigations. So it's a big question now, who is the culprit? I don't know, but I will come up with more interesting topics. I'm getting through now everything because my friends are requesting me to give the viewpoints on it. So I have given my viewpoints, do share it, do like it, and do subscribe my channel so that you get like notified as soon as possible. I'll be coming each and every day now on Sushant. Come on, let's I think now CBI should investigate on it. Hope that Supreme Court gave on 5th of August justification to Sushant. Like, it's a big case that has happened in Mumbai, and even if not Sushant, tomorrow will be other. So this should be investigated thoroughly. Be with me. I am with Sushant. I be with Payal Rohadi and many of them, and they are just banging on. Come on, let's stand up for Sushant. Thank you.